In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a bustling online business or just starting out, syncing your Shopify store with Zoho Books can simplify accounting, streamline operations, and give you peace of mind knowing your books are up to date and accurate. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to install the Zoho Books integration by Web2Market app from the Shopify App Store. To do this, open your Shopify admin interface and look for the Apps section on the left-hand side. Click on it and then go to the Shopify App Store. Here, you can search for the Zoho Books integration by Web2Market. Once you find it, click on the app and hit the Install button. Confirm any prompts to add the app to your store. With the app installed, the next crucial step is to connect your Shopify store to your Zoho Books account. This connection is key to ensuring data flows seamlessly between the two platforms. Open the Zoho Books integration app in Shopify, and you should see an option to connect. You will likely need your Zoho Books login credentials handy for this step. Enter those details when prompted and follow any instructions to authenticate the connection. It may take a few moments, but once connected, your Shopify and Zoho Books accounts will start communicating. Now that the app is installed and connected, it's time to configure the synchronization settings. These settings will determine how and what information flows between Shopify and Zoho Books. Look for an option in the app's dashboard to configure settings, and you should see choices for importing orders, customers, and payments. Set these according to your business needs. For instance, if you want every transaction to be reflected in Zoho Books, ensure that orders and payments are both selected. If customer data is crucial for maintaining comprehensive records, check that option as well. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected all the relevant information, as this can save you a lot of manual work later on. Finally, you'll need to set the frequency of data synchronization. This will dictate how often information moves between Shopify and Zoho Books. Depending on your business requirements, you might choose to sync data hourly, daily, or upon the arrival of each new order. In the synchronization settings, there will be options to select your preferred time interval. Most businesses find that hourly updates or syncing upon new orders keeps everything running smoothly without overwhelming the system with continuous updates. And there you have it. By now, you should have your Shopify store integrated with Zoho Books, ensuring your sales data is consistently updated and accounted for in your financial records. Integrating these platforms can reduce errors, save valuable time, and allow you to focus more on growing your business. Thanks for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this one.